How to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on iOS. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on your iPhone, iPad, or any iOS device. Stick around till the end for some handy tips. Let's get started. First, check the recently deleted folder. Open the Photos app and scroll down to locate the recently deleted folder. Tap on it. If your photos or videos are there, select them and tap Recover to restore them. If they aren't there, try restoring from an iCloud backup. Go to Settings, tap on your iCloud profile, iCloud, then go to the Photos app under Manage Storage. Check if your missing photos or videos were part of a recent iCloud backup. If they were, you can restore your device to retrieve them. If these methods don't work, reach out to Apple support. They may be able to help recover your data if it's still accessible. To prevent future losses, enable iCloud Photos in your settings to automatically back up all photos and videos. Regularly back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes for extra security. And that's how you can recover permanently deleted photos and videos on iOS. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share your recovery success stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.